Hello everyone and welcome to episode 51 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. In today's episode, we are going to see how can we add a custom CSS to our forms. This can be useful at many times because at times in the MakeForms design tab, there might be things that you may want to change but you do not have an option to do that. In such a case, you can use the custom CSS option that comes with MakeForms. So we will take a look at how you can do that. So let's say you have built this entire form, and once you are done building this form, what you will do is that you will go to the design tab, and let's say I just turn off this brand logo, and this is the padding that I have here at the top, and maybe I don't want this much of padding, so I just want to remove that. Okay, in that case what I will do is that I'll go on inspect element. Again, this particular feature is quite advanced, and we would recommend to not do it if you are not a developer yourself, because if you kind of don't know this and you like do it in a wrong way, it can impact your form. So this is uh, to be noted. So now here you can see that this is a div where we have our loop and it has a padding top 100 pixel. So now what I want to do is I want to change this padding to 0 pixel. So now I will add a custom CSS, and here you can see that there is a tab called custom CSS. So I will open this, and first of all what I will do is I will see if it is a class or an ID. So here we can see that we have a class. So I will just copy this class. I will go in here, I will write dot for class, and then what I will do is I will say padding, and let's see if it's a padding top or it's a padding. So it's padding top, so I would just write padding dash top 0 pixel and enter. So now you can see that the padding is removed. Similarly, for my particular use case, I also don't want the padding that we have here at the top. It's kind of too much, like this is the 40 pixel and 25 pixel. So I have selected this particular field over here, and here we have something called as form main dot form wrapper. So what I will do is I will add padding 20 pixel 20 pixels. So what this does is that it reduces the padding throughout the border, and then I will close this. Similarly, I also, let's say, want to reduce the padding that we have after the input tag. So this is the padding that I want to reduce. So I will have, this is the form group. So we can see this is not a padding but a margin. So what I will want to do is I want to change the margin bottom to, let's say, 10 pixel. So this is something that I'm looking for. So what I will do is that on the dot form dash group, I will change the margin dash bottom to 10 pixel. Okay, and now what I will do is I will save this as a theme. So all the changes that we wanted to have are now done. So this is how you can actually use custom CSS on your forms. So as I did mention in the before, only and only use it if you think that you are an advanced user and you know everything about HTML and CSS. And if you don't know this, you may send this video to your developer and give them access to your MakeForms account, or you can add your developer to your MakeForms account and then tell them to do it. But please do not use this feature if you are a little, even if you are like not, you might be 95% sure that you know this, but even if you're 5% unsure that you might not know few things about HTML and CSS, I would strongly recommend you to please not use this feature. So that's it for today, guys. Signing off, Pratik here from MakeForms.